I love corn. I got some, I cut it off the cob and I put some chili powder and some lime and some mayo right on it, and I make a little Mexican corn, and then, ooh, damn, holy cow. River, hey, leave her alone. Oh, she tried to jump and she didn't see the rope. River, leave her alone. Oh, I'm gonna go deal with that. Did you fall in the water? I'm sorry, you're soaking wet. Oh, let's get a towel. Get a towel. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna dry you off. It's okay. Oh, hey! Don't scratch me. All right, I'll leave you alone. Damn, she went right after me. I'm sorry, baby. All right, we'll leave you alone. I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm sorry. I'm gonna give her some treats. Make sure she calms down. She's scared. I mean, she fell in the water. Then River ran in here. And then I tried to towel her off, and she's not okay with that at all. So, but she's fine. She came running up here and didn't. She hit the rope. She didn't see the rope, and it flipped her around and threw her right in the water.
You know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look. Had a fish fry, mustard, hot sauce, light bread, french fries. Love for the big guy. Hit the park, blowing, showing off their house. Nappy roots on the radio, and you know it popped. Last night they hit the big three. Bought some Air Force Ones, 4 tall tees. Man, I'm loving Big T. And all my homies wanna ride today. And all these mamas look fly today. And all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. time, and that's the reason I pray. Got my car cleaned up, now I'm ready to play. Make a call to the sticks, say I'm headed that way. Heard my cousin cooking out, I gotta get me a plate. Got this new outfit, ain't even out in the States. So ain't speaking too soon, but it's a hell of a day. And the sticker got me sitting in a hell of a place. Got my stunner shades on and the grin on my face. No real looks mean, but I swear I'm straight. In the hood showing love, so I'm A-OK. Hey.
Exactly what the children say. Take the day off, hit the park and just hang. Barbecue, roll up you and put up the deuce. And if it's beef, put the piece down, throw up your dukes. It's time to change our ways so we can save the day. For the children's sake and make a better place to play. If it's all good, we got your coupe and grip your wood. And if you're riding dirty, like to split and blow you. But do it real big, exactly like a player should. Enjoy your 24, do your thing and rip your hood. The world is all yours, but still we all grind forever. In the day, the choice you make is really all fine. And all my homies wanna ride today. And all these mommies look fly today. And all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. And ain't nobody gotta cry today. 'Cause ain't nobody gonna die today. You can save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. And all my homies wanna ride today. And all these mommies look fly today. And all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. And ain't nobody gotta cry today. 'Cause ain't nobody gonna die today. You can save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Basically, if you're on the water all the time, the big times that you get kind of, I don't know, frustrated with new boaters or different boaters being on the water is holidays. People who never use their boat, and that ends up being a bad time. And also the beginning of the season. So right now I'm trying to find this. I'm seeing if I can get the houseboat in here away from everybody in this little creek where no one will go. We'll kind of see if we can start the season in here for a week or so while everyone gets their boats in the water. I didn't bring the chainsaw either. Which I want to grab some of those cypress logs anyway, so I'm going to go get my chainsaw. I'm going to look at a couple other spots, but this might be where we come for a week or so. We'll see. This is definitely not a river that anyone would go up. It's just not deep enough for them. So I'm going to take River to this beach and check it out. Go. Let's see what he does with this volleyball. No, he's nudging it. He's moving it. Did he find any? No, he's going to pee on it. It's his volleyball now. No one else can own it. I kind of love beaches like this. In river areas where there's high-speed traffic and lots of waves, that you get these, every single rock is soft and smooth and worn down, and it's really cool. Yeah. It's a rock. Look how fuzzy these trees are. They're like soft. That's so cool. That's the entrance to the Duck River, completely straight across. That's the Tennessee River going that way south. And River's heading north on it, which is downriver. Where is he going? Watch him come back. He's such a good dog. Look at how excited he is. Yeah, he's a happy dog. He's trying to figure out how to play with it. Someone got a new toy. He's excited. Look at him. Oh, when he is like super excited, it's so addictive. You just want to see him happy all the time. It's so funny. It's awesome. He's biting it. He's figured it out. Yeah, he's figured it out. Yeah, we are bouncing around. It's about 15-mile-an-hour wind coming out of the north, so you get these 1-foot waves, which makes everything move in the houseboat. This boat is not made for agility. But look at Cricket's still out watching everything happen. She's awesome. We are moving. We're going to get out of this wind. That's why we're moving. And I'm getting a lot more trusting in the boat moving in this kind of wind. It just, you know, it's a big brick, but it goes. It's got enough power to push into the wind if you get it in the, you know, you got enough room to do it.